Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Aman. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own lightly transition in Premiere Pro CC 2018, just like this one. So this is pretty easy to do that. I have some B-roll footages in my timeline, or you can say in my media bin. I'm importing it in my timeline, and making them short. And after that, I have another footage which is called beachfront B-roll light leak. I think so. So it is a lightly transition. Yeah, you heard it right. It is a lightly transition. So I will give a link in the description so you can download this transition or this video from there. And this is a very useful video. So you must have to download this for creating this transition. So I'm cutting a part of this transition of this video for light leaks. You have to find an interesting part of this video so you can make a light leak transition. I find it, and here it is. I am cutting it. Just delete all the part, or just leave them here. So, and after that you have to drag it on your videos at the end of the videos. And what you have to do is, you can see it is looking as we want. So now what you have to do, we don't want this black part, as you can see. So we have to delete this part. So what you have to do, go to effects control and go to opacity and change the blend mode to lighten or screen. Both are very effective, so you can use them. I am using screen. And now to make it more smoother and good, so what you have to do, go to effects panel and search for film dissolve. It is underneath dissolve. So you have to drag it over here, and of the starting film dissolve, you have to make it short, and you have to do it again at the end of the video. This time it will be big. So now I'll show you how they look. So as you can see, it looks pretty good. So if you want transition another time for another clip, you can just copy paste on it, or just create another one from another part of the video. Or so enjoy this video. Please give this video a blue thumbs up, and if you want more videos like this, so subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. My name is Aman. I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.